Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer a domain from our Godaddy account to someone else's account. This process is useful when we are selling a domain or giving it to a client or business partner. We will walk through the steps together in a simple way. First, open your browser. When the browser is open, go to godaddy.com. Then, log into your account. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your name and a drop-down button. Click it, then click your name. Here, we can see our domains. To manage all domains, click Manage All. Now, check your domains and select the one you want to transfer. Click Transfer. To move the domain to another account, click Transfer Between Accounts. Then, select the domain you want to transfer and click Continue. Next, enter the recipient's email address and customer number. You will also see an option to copy the current domain settings to the new account. After entering the details, click Send Transfer Request. The transfer request will be sent to the recipient, and both accounts need to verify the information. When verification is done, the domain will be transferred to the other Godaddy account. After the transfer is accepted, the domain will fully move to the new owner's account.